Such a beautiful day to do absolutely nothing. I mean, just look at it. Somebody should really cut that grass. But it ain't gonna be me. You ever seen what an old Ford beat the fuck up looks like? Well, bam. That's it. So I got a bamboo farm pretty much back here. It's just been growing for forever. And I'm gonna show y'all it. That's pretty much it. Oh man, I got a lot to cut. Look at that, just trying to grow. Unless I just snapped it. I doubt it. Well, I got some more trying to grow. Look. That one's done failed. Got a tire here. I don't even know where that tire came from. I got a bunch of stuff I got clean. Just now realizing it. Anyway, so right back here, that's where we used to keep dogs at when we were running them way back in the day. Don't do that no more. Yep. I gotta clear a path and figure out what's all over here. Got tin on the ground. Wonder if it came through off the roof. Looks like it. See, came off the roof. Here's the tin. Snake season now. Oh, we got a new one growing up. Look at these. Look at this one. Nose over there. All right, whoa. All right then. This is growing like wildfire. It's an old swimming pool back here. You know, one of them kiddie pools that you put up and let the dogs and the kids run in? That's exactly what that is. I don't want to get too close. And I don't feel like shooting a snake today. Oh, can't fight a snake off with bamboo. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to try it though. Have a beautiful day. It's lovely out here. Man, love nature.